Good day, all the respected judges. My name is Aini Studia Makisra, the representative of Senior High School Number 1 Ngeraho, Bojonegoro. First of all, let's thanks to Allah who has been giving us some mercies and blessings so we can have a good condition and happy situation for right now. I would like to express my gratitude as I am given the chance to speak here representing the opposition side. I'm hereby standing against with the motion. This House believes that school curriculum should highly integrate the use of AI like ChatGPT, AI design, and etc. during learning process instead of opposing it. If I have your permission, before I state my arguments, please allow me to explain to you about the role of AI in education. Artificial intelligence, AI, can play a significant role in education by providing personalized learning experience, helping teachers, and improving learning process. In this era, the use of AI is overwhelming, especially in education and work, as it has been able to provide ease. But I disagree if school curriculum has to highly integrate the use of AI in the learning process. In my opinion, school integrating AI, such as using ChatGPT, AI design, and etc. during learning process will make problems in the future. If school integrate AI during learning process, then it will make the student and teacher get many bad impacts such as first, dependency. AI can make student and teacher feel so dependent on AI and can make student and teacher have a lazy personality. Second, excessive trust. Using AI too often can make student and teacher trust AI too much. That will be a problem, especially in this era when AI cannot give an accurate information. Third, difficulty in solving problems. Dependence on AI can make anyone lose the ability to think critically in solving problems. Fourth, can damage interaction between student and teacher. AI can inadvertently reduce human interaction, which is an important part of the learning process. Fifth, different economic sides of students. Not all students can get access of AI because they're economic. For example, one of students in our school, the student cannot get an access of AI because does not have a mobile phone that can support using a feature or access of AI. Sixth, different condition. If I look at my school condition, this statement can be realized. But how about another school who have a bad condition? For example, like have bad internet connection, have a bad access, out of electricity, and etc. Or usually we call it educational inequality. AI does have many benefits, but if we have to implement AI significantly in every learning process, it seems to be a big problem in the future. God has created and blessed us with brain to think. So, why we do need AI? So, in conclusion, school curriculum cannot highly integrate the use of AI during learning process because AI still has bad impacts and not all schools can access it. Here's why I strongly disagree with the motion. This House believes that school curriculum should highly integrate the use of AI like ChatGPT, AI design, and etc. during learning process instead of opposing it. That's all from me. Thank you.